Model 2022 Peugeot Partner Standard Diesel 1000 1.5 BlueHDi 100 Professional Prem Van 6 SPD. Body white, panel van. Mileage 51,552. Engine 1499 cc DV5 RCF. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has been stripped for repairs. All parts are back of the van. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after. Pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, cruise control, air con, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400